of reading the Quran. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, receive the Quran, it comes a day of resurrection as intercession for the who recited it. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, fasting and reciting the Quran will be interceded for a servant on the day of resurrection. Fasting will say, O Lord, I prevented him from eating and drinking during the day, so accept my intercession for him. And the Quran will say, O Lord, I prevented him from sleeping at night, so accept my intercession for him. So Allah will accept the intercession. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the one who is proficient in the resurrection of the Quran will be very noble, and obedience, scribes, angels, and who receive it in the way of will be noble and position of Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.